Hey, welcome to John's Jeep Garage. This is a very quick video on how to replace a starter on a 1998 Jeep TJ 4-liter. First thing you want to do is disconnect the battery. I disconnected the positive first. Really, that's not the right way. You should disconnect the negative. It decreases the chance for a short. Then you got to decide what type of starter you want when you replace it. If you're going to get a remanufactured one or brand new, usually $60 to $100. Location of the starter, usually on the passenger side of your oil pan, and it's in between where the exhaust pipe runs through. There are specifically two main bolt sizes, or two main bolts that hold the starter on. One access from the front side, one access from the rear side. Bolt sizes, though, I've seen a couple Jeeps that have different sizes, both metric and standard, so you need to determine when you're looking at your Jeep. There's also a solenoid on top that has two electrical wires that you need to be able to remove as well. You need to make the decision if you're going to remove the electrical wires first or last. I did it last just because of the way I had access to the Jeep. Once I did that, it was easy then to maneuver the starter around and then pull it out. Be careful not to pull the wires when you pull it out, so they still stay remaining, and then you can attach the new starter when you put it back in and then tighten them up according to specs. Once you do that, then you can maneuver it to fit back into the access point. You can see the teeth at the end of the starter would just insert into the area where the flywheel is, but just line up the bolts and it will fit. You may need to maneuver your wrists a little bit, but it will fit. And then put the same bolts back into the holes and tighten according to specs. Don't forget to reconnect your battery, and then you can test by starting your car. I get a core charge from my auto parts store, $10 at O'Reilly's, and the Jeep was running great. And this was a quick video. Please like and subscribe. This is John's Jeep Garage. Thank you very much.